Uh, Poem 1, Accident in a Rose Garden by Donald Justice. Poem 2, Poison 3 by William Blake. In Accident in a Rose Garden, seemingly comparing two things with like or as. For example, in the poem, dressed like a Spanish waiter, he compares the reaper to a Spanish waiter. In the same poem, it uses metaphor too, comparing two things without like or as. The glove from his right hand held that out, reading a little cage of bones. It compares dead hands to a cage of bones. Personification gives human characteristics to something non-human. For example, fear has given her legs. Fear can give you legs. It has to be. It's a human characteristic.
Fear cannot give you legs.
It has a theme too. It's the message of the poem. The theme is that death might come when the least expected. Like, live life with that thought in mind. Nobody knows when or which time that will come. The master did not expect that, but he came for him. New poem, A Poison 3. The metaphor, comparing two things without like or as. 3 is a metaphor for anger, which is growing on and on. Finally, it grows a fruit of anger. Anger is growing. Is a growing 3. Repetition, repeating of words that is already written, and is repeated to create expectation and suspense. Alliteration, the occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of the and for example, repetition of be in board and bring give us alliteration. It is the same letter repeating. The theme, it is not anger itself, but how this suppression of anger leads to the growth of anger. According to the Poison 3, anger is like a tree that keeps growing. That's like a slide. Comparing the Poison 3 to an accident in the rose garden. Both poetry uses metaphor, repetition, and alliteration to tell the reader and help them better to understand the poem. Both poetry are different because they have different themes and tone. And that's the end.